All right, before I give you 5 to do on your own, I want to go over some more. I need you watching. These are the 2 we're going over. If you don't have your journal on your desk following along, which means it's open, that'll annoy me. Don't annoy me. All right, Kayla, you with me? All right. Does 7 go into 4? No. You're not all Kayla. There's just one. Right? Does 7 go into 47?
Yes.
Kayla!
Oops.
Does it go into 47?
Yes.
I'm going to have a 3-digit number. My answer is going to be 3 digits. I put these lines up here because it's going to make my life easier. Promise you. Okay, do you have your multiples of 7 out? You got your multiplication chart?
Yeah.
All right, looking at your multiplication chart, Kayla, what is, looking in the row that starts with 7, what is as close to 47 as I can get without going over?
42.
42. And so what times 7 gives me 42? 6.
Oh, not good.
Okay? We get as close as we can to what we're dividing into without going over. Fred, put that down because you're distracting me. Okay? And you said it was 42. We get as close as we can. Olivia, are you with me? We get as close as we can to 47, because that's what it's going into, without going over. Okay? Okay, look. 47 minus 42. 7 minus 2. 5. Good. Now I bring down the 2.
Damn.
Now, look back at your multiplication chart, your row for 7s. As close as I can get to 52 without going over.
7 times 7, 49.
Good. 7 times 7, which is 49. Put that down. Subtract. As close as I can get without going over. Too many of y'all come into math class and you've decided already that division's too hard. Don't rip my multiplication chart. You've decided already that division's too hard. It's not. If you take it one step at a time.
Keep trying.
It takes steps. It takes steps. You've glued those steps into your journal. You have videos online that the most wonderful, intelligent teacher in the world is recording for you and has recorded for you. Tomorrow we do 2-digit division. There's videos on that already. All right. So what is 52 minus 49, Kayla? 3.
Ooh.
Then we bring down the 5. Now we're taking 7 into 35. As close as you can get to 35 without going over.
Subtract 35. 7 times 5.
Good.
35 subtract?
But, okay. So 5 times 7 is 35. We subtract, and we get 0.
Oh, I got it right.
You should.
I'm good at it. What? I think I understand.
Okay? All it takes is practice. If you can use your multiplication chart, you can do division.
I'm good at it.
If you can use your multiplication chart, you can do division. Thank you. Olivia wants to do the next one.
What?
Well, I'm just calling Olivia because she's not paid any attention for the last 20 minutes. So that's why I called on her. Okay?
Dun, dun, dun.
So, Olivia, how many times, or can 5 go into 2?
No.
No. I'm not going to have a number above the 2. Can 5 go into 20?
Yes.
That means I'm going to have a 3-digit number. I like to put these little lines up there because it makes me realize how many digits your answer has to be. Okay? How many times does 5 go into 20, Olivia? 4 times. 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract, we get 0. Bring down our 5. Olivia, how many times does 5 go into 5? 1 time. 1 times 5 is 5. Subtract, we get 0. We bring down our 0. Olivia, how many times does 5 go into 0? 0.
0.
I guarantee you that I have people in this room that put 41 as their answer.
What?
Because if you don't put those lines to know where they go, you're going to put 41 as your answer instead of 410. And maybe if you actually try and do the work instead of just throwing down answers on paper, which then causes you to be all upset and cry later on. No, I've actually had this, Hunter. I've had a student upset with me because they had to do a new assignment. And they said, well, I just guessed and got those wrong. Can't I just fix them? No. Don't guess and get them wrong. Take your time and get them right. Okay, questions on this. Tomorrow, we do 2-digit divisors. There are videos on the tube of the U on my channel that show how to divide with 2-digit divisors. I want you to watch them tonight. I think maybe watching a couple videos is not taxing your brain.
I'm going to watch them during flows.
Okay, I'm going to put up 5 problems in a moment that you're going to do on your own. You're going to turn them in, and this will be the second grade. The second grade you're getting for this grading period. First grade was your three think through math lessons. This will be the second grade.
Woo! I passed through.